Hello, beautiful souls. How are you this New Year's Eve? Well, we all know that New Year, the renewal of regrowth, really is the spring equinox. It only makes sense. But, Happy New Year anyway. I hope you are faring well. And I hope and I wish you peace. I really, really do. And I want you to know, and I've said it before, all that you're searching for is within. In an unegoic way. You are the light. You are the love. Shine it out. And the chickadees are coming. I don't know if you can see them. So there. Cheerfulness, joy, wisdom, communication, joyful communication. Be like the chickadee. Kind of like on Christmas Eve. I wish you well. Aho Masani.